Hey guys, I'm just showing my finished product of the Burger Performance Oil Catch Can install on our MK7 Golf R. It was very straightforward. I do recommend looking at the instructions even though they are somewhat vague. You can see that bracket down there. That bracket right there was just held by one nut. I did use a green Loctite to lock that, and just a little hint, I put electrical tape on that little dowel that sticks out that they just say line up to the holes, but I've moved this around and it was making a ticking sound, so I just put a little electrical tape and then squeezed it into the on that hole and then squeeze it into there, and it eliminates any of the jiggling noise. I put green Loctite on the bracket. There's a two separate bracket that goes to that flat right there, and you just tighten those down with the green Loctite. I got green Loctite on these as well, so they're very easy to remove. And this is that beautiful Burger Performance Catch Can. This thing just screws righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. There's also a little plug underneath that you can undo. But most likely, if I need to dump this catch can, I will just undo these, pull this thing aside, and then unscrew it, and then dump the can out. And probably recommended, they said every 3 to 6 months, but it depends how you drive. Probably every oil change. This is the PVC piping right here. I got the cover right off so you can see. It goes right here, comes over to here, and then extends over. Usually goes into the intake part of the turbo. I pulled this piece off. The Burger Performance comes with this adapter right here. Fits perfectly on the OEM Golfs. It just goes click right into place. And then it comes with a slimmer another hose, male side hose. Adapter, and then you slip the hose on. This one I had to cut a piece of it off. I would say I cut off about 14 inches of this hose right here, and then you just slide it on. This hose that they came with that goes back into the turbo inlet part right there, this I didn't have to do any cutting on, and I slipped it in. And of course there is an in and an out labeled over here. So it's pretty straightforward. No challenges. The only challenges was probably taking this off from down there where the new hose is at. And that's about it. But I just wanted to show what it looks like. Yes, if you need to service your brake reservoir, you probably need to unscrew that, which is not a big deal. You unscrew these two things, move the can aside, you have access to that. No problem. I don't know about other oil catch cans, but I saw that you do have to unbolt some few things to get to this to all the components, but this kit you do not have to. So yeah. When you go stage 2, you should definitely consider catch can. I observed our intake runner and the intercooler piping is down on the low side because I do have the upgraded intercool piping, and I pulled it off and it was quite oily, and it was oily over here as well into the intake track of the turbo. So this is going to make a big difference, and this is one of the things I should have installed once I went stage 2. With you guys running stage 2 out there, highly recommended. There's a lot of blow-by going by, and it can cause a little bit of misfiring. So anyways, I got stage 2, and there's the massive downpipe I have. Anyways, thanks for watching.